Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of artificial intelligence, specifically exploring the future of generative AI. Now, you may ask, what is generative AI? It's the technology that powers machines to create and innovate in ways that were once thought to be exclusive to human imagination. From generating awe-inspiring pieces of art to composing symphonies that move the soul, generative AI is reshaping the boundaries of creativity. Imagine an algorithm painting a masterpiece or a machine composing a melody. The lines between human and AI creations are blurring, and it's getting harder to tell the difference. But it's not just about painting and composing. Generative AI is also writing stories, developing video games, and even coming up with innovative product designs. Have you heard about AI-generated music? It's not only impressive, but also a testament to the evolving landscape of creativity. Now, with great power comes great responsibility. As we navigate through the possibilities, we must also be aware of the challenges and ethical considerations that lie ahead. One of the most notable challenges is the emergence of deepfakes. Through generative AI, we now have the capacity to manipulate video and audio to such an extent that it becomes nearly impossible to distinguish the real from the fabricated. This new reality poses serious questions about misinformation and trust. Can we always believe what we see and hear, or will we need to question every piece of media we consume? Another challenge that's hard to overlook is the rise of AI-written content. Generative AI is now capable of producing articles, stories, and even code. This might seem like a leap forward in terms of productivity, but let's consider the potential implications. If machines can create content, where does that leave human creators? Are we heading towards a future where human creativity is devalued or even displaced by artificial intelligence? As we grapple with these challenges, we also need to delve into the ethical considerations surrounding generative AI. At the forefront of these considerations is bias. Bias in AI is not a new concern, but it becomes particularly significant as we move towards a future where AI has a greater role in decision-making processes. If the data used to train these AI models is biased, the output will inevitably reflect those biases. This could have far-reaching implications in areas like hiring and criminal justice, where fairness and impartiality are paramount. Privacy, too, is a significant concern. Generative AI has the ability to create realistic faces of non-existent people. While this might be a fun tool for designers, it also raises serious questions about privacy invasion. What happens when this technology falls into the wrong hands? Could it be used for malicious purposes? Privacy is another crucial aspect. Generative AI that can create realistic faces of non-existent people might be a fun tool for designers, but it also raises concerns about privacy invasion and the potential for malicious use. Scene script. Despite these challenges, the future of generative AI holds immense promise. How do we navigate this path responsibly and ensure that the benefits outweigh the risks? As we venture into this new era, the key lies in embracing a collaborative approach. Rather than viewing generative AI as a threat to human creativity, we should consider it as a powerful tool that can enhance our own creative abilities. Indeed, imagine a world where artists and AI work hand in hand, creating artwork that transcends the boundaries of traditional art. Or consider a scenario where writers use AI to generate new ideas, plot twists, or even entire narratives, pushing the envelope of storytelling. Musicians, too, can leverage AI to compose unique melodies or experiment with new harmonies, expanding the sonic landscape. But it's not just about the arts. In the realm of science and technology, generative AI can accelerate research, solve complex problems, and even contribute to groundbreaking discoveries. In the business world, AI-powered tools can streamline operations, optimize resources, and drive innovation, leading to a more productive and efficient society. However, this collaboration is not without its challenges. To ensure a harmonious partnership, we must address the ethical considerations we've discussed earlier. We must strive for transparency and fairness in AI models, work towards eliminating biases, and establish robust privacy safeguards. Education and awareness will also play crucial roles. The general public, policymakers, and AI practitioners alike must be informed about the potentials and pitfalls of generative AI. This will facilitate informed decision-making, responsible use, and the development of appropriate regulations. And finally, we must remember the value of human creativity and intuition. While AI can generate, innovate, and astonish, it is our human capacity for imagination, emotion, and empathy that makes our creations truly meaningful. Our role, therefore, is not to compete with AI, but to guide it, shape it, and use it as a means to express our uniquely human creativity. Generative AI, when combined with human creativity, can lead to a synergy that amplifies the capabilities and potential of both. It's a fascinating future, and we're just starting to scratch the surface.